should I inform you of a dhikr? If you said afdal, better and more superior than you staying all day long remembering Allah and all night long remembering Allah. So what does Abu Umama say? No, Ya Rasulullah. He said, of course, Ya Rasulullah. I would love to know, what is that dhikr? Subhanallah. He said, you say, Alhamdulillahi adada ma khalaq. Alhamdulillahi mil'a ma khalaq. Alhamdulillahi adada ma fil ardi wa ma fil sama'. الحمد لله ملء ما في الأرض وما في السماء. الحمد لله عدد ما أحصى كتابه. الحمد لله ملء ما أحصى كتابه. الحمد لله عدد كل شيء. الحمد لله ملء كل شيء. And then at the end Rasulullah ﷺ said, and you say Subhanallah مثلهن. So what do? Subhanallah adada ma khalaq. Subhanallah mil'a ma khalaq. Subhanallah adada ma fil ardi wa ma fis sama'. Subhanallah mil'a ma fil ardi wa ma fis sama'. Subhanallah adada ma ahsa kitabu. Subhanallah mil'a ma ahsa kitabu. Subhanallah adada kulla shay. Subhanallah mil'a kulla shay. I'm not telling you it's easy. Wallahi, it took me maybe 15 minutes. Maybe it will take you half an hour. But let me ask you a question. Is it worth it?